Can you see this number? Try this one. If you couldn't see any of these numbers, then you have a disease. It makes you unable to differentiate between orange and green. It's called colorblind. Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe. Enjoy the video.
This could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
If you can see this number, then you are okay, and you don't have color blind. But if you can't see it, then you have color blind. The most common kinds of color blindness are genetic, meaning they're passed down from parents. It's not from old ages. Color blindness can also happen because of damage to your eye or your brain. You can't see the traffic light. So, if you have color blindness, what to do to fix it? Sadly, there are no cures for it. But special glasses and contact lenses can help. Most people who are colorblind are able to adjust and don't have problems with everyday activities. Also, you can find many apps on your mobile. You can upload any of them. They will help you to get you able to differentiate between these colors. Tell us in the comments if you have this disease or not. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.